Hello everyone, welcome back. We are going to learn in this video how to do something if a certain value is over a threshold, if it's over an amount. So currently I've got a number called sensor value. It's an integer type, and I first check that I can print it to the serial to see what kinds of numbers I'm getting. What I could do to run code only if it is over a certain level is use an if statement. So I can write if and say if sensor value is bigger than, and I'll choose a cutoff. Maybe I might choose, I don't know, maybe 2000 for my cutoff. If sensor value is more than 2000, and then I do this curly bracket and a matching closing bracket here. You might notice that when you put the first curly bracket in, it makes a closing bracket for you, and then you can press enter, and now this open bracket here has a matching friend here. It's the same with the condition in the if statement. This condition is checking something. That's what a condition is, checking whether something is true or false. It's checking whether sensor value is bigger than 2000, and that condition is in brackets. Notice that this round open bracket has a matching friend over here, a round closing bracket. Anything inside this if statement will only run if it's true. So I can put in a statement like this, serial.println, wow, big. And this will only run when sensor value is bigger than 2000. Let's check that. If I upload, and it's uploading, done uploading. So if the value is small, then this line 26, does not run. But when the value gets bigger than 2000, whoa, it does the thing. Cool. You might want to have different if statements for different conditions. For example, I can say if sensor value is less than, I don't know, 1000. Then serial.print. I actually meant to write here print ln, print line. I might show you the difference actually. I'll show you the difference by leaving out the ln. Oh, small. I need a semicolon here, just like I have a semicolon at the end of every statement. So now this loop will run over and over and over again. It'll print the value and then check if it's bigger than 2000. If so, it will say wow big, and then it will check if it's less than 1000, and if that is true, it will say oh small. Now you might be able to see why I actually wanted to do serial.println, print line, instead of print. Print will just print it at the end of the current line, whereas println will print that message to the serial, so I can see it on my computer, and it will also put a new line and enter at the end. So now, there you go. Values in the middle don't trigger either of these if statements. Values that are very, very, very small will cause this statement to run, and values that are very, very big will cause this value to run. All right, I hope that's been helpful in running code, only if a number is bigger than a threshold or smaller than a threshold. All right, see you in the next video. Bye everyone.